Welcome to our channel. If you're an entrepreneur, investor, or simply curious about the booming business landscape in Africa, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 7 African cities to start a business in 2024. From bustling metropolises to emerging hotspots, these cities are offering unparalleled opportunities for growth and success. Stick around as we explore why these cities are the ultimate destinations for your next business venture. Lagos, Nigeria, the financial powerhouse. First on our list is Lagos, Nigeria, the financial hub of Africa. With a population exceeding 14 million, Lagos is not just a city. It's a thriving ecosystem of innovation and opportunity. The city's strategic location along the Atlantic coast makes it a gateway to both local and international markets. Lagos is known for its dynamic economy, fueled by sectors such as finance, tech, and manufacturing. The city boasts a burgeoning tech scene, with startups and tech hubs sprouting up in areas like Yaba. Additionally, Lagos has a vibrant market for consumer goods and services, driven by a rapidly growing middle class. Why Lagos? It's the largest city in Africa by GDP, with a diverse business environment and a young, entrepreneurial population. From fintech to agritech, Lagos offers a fertile ground for various business ventures. Its infrastructure is continuously improving, with new developments like the Lekki Free Trade Zone attracting international investment. Key takeaway: Lagos offers a high-growth environment with robust economic opportunities, making it an ideal city for businesses looking to scale rapidly. Nairobi, Kenya, the tech capital. Next up is Nairobi, Kenya, often referred to as the Silicon Savannah. Nairobi has established itself as a tech hub with a thriving ecosystem that nurtures innovation. The city's strategic position in East Africa makes it a pivotal center for regional trade and investment. Nairobi is home to numerous tech startups, accelerators, and venture capital firms. The city's infrastructure supports digital innovation, with high-speed internet and a supportive regulatory environment. Initiatives like the Nairobi Innovation Hub and tech events such as Nairobi Tech Week foster a vibrant community of tech enthusiasts and entrepreneurs. The city's growing middle class and increasing internet penetration further drive opportunities in e-commerce, fintech, and digital services. Nairobi also boasts a rich cultural scene and a dynamic market for consumer goods, adding to its appeal for new businesses. Key takeaway: Nairobi is perfect for tech-focused businesses looking to tap into East Africa's digital revolution and innovation ecosystem. Johannesburg, South Africa, the business metropolis. Moving on to Johannesburg, South Africa, the economic powerhouse of the continent. Known for its well-developed infrastructure and business-friendly environment, Johannesburg is a prime location for businesses seeking stability and growth. The city's diverse economy spans sectors such as finance, manufacturing, and services. Johannesburg is home to the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, JSE, one of the largest stock exchanges in the world. This financial hub attracts both local and international investors, providing a solid foundation for business growth. Johannesburg's strategic location as a transport and logistics hub further enhances its appeal. With a well-established business infrastructure and access to regional markets, it's an ideal city for businesses involved in trade and distribution. Additionally, the city's burgeoning startup scene and innovation hubs make it a great location for new ventures. Key takeaway: Johannesburg offers a stable and well-connected business environment, ideal for companies seeking growth across diverse sectors. Accra, Ghana, the rising star. Accra, Ghana is quickly emerging as a vibrant business hub in West Africa. With a stable political climate and an increasingly favorable business environment, Accra is attracting attention from entrepreneurs and investors alike. The city's economy is diverse, with key sectors including real estate, agribusiness, and technology. Accra's growing infrastructure and development projects, such as the redevelopment of the Kotoka International Airport, are positioning it as a key player in the regional market. Accra also benefits from Ghana's business-friendly policies and economic reforms, which support foreign investment and entrepreneurship. The city's rich cultural heritage and expanding middle class further enhance its appeal for consumer-driven businesses. Key takeaway: Accra is a promising destination for businesses looking to enter the West African market, with a supportive environment and growing economic potential. Cairo, Egypt, the historical hub. Cairo, Egypt, a city steeped in history and brimming with business potential. As one of the largest cities in Africa, Cairo offers a strategic location connecting Africa to the Middle East and Europe. The city's economy is anchored in sectors like tourism, construction, and manufacturing. Cairo's recent economic reforms and infrastructure investments, such as the new administrative capital project, are setting the stage for enhanced business opportunities. Cairo's growing startup ecosystem and favorable business climate are attracting entrepreneurs and investors. The city's vibrant market, coupled with its historical and cultural significance, adds a unique dimension to business ventures. Key takeaway: Cairo provides a unique blend of historical significance and modern business opportunities, making it an attractive city for diverse ventures. Kigali, Rwanda. The Green City. Kigali, Rwanda, often referred to as the cleanest city in Africa, is rapidly becoming a hub for innovation and sustainability. Kigali's commitment to environmental sustainability and its progressive business policies make it a standout destination for forward-thinking entrepreneurs. The city's focus on becoming a tech and innovation hub is evident in initiatives like the Kigali Innovation City and various tech parks. Kigali's stable political environment and pro-business policies support a range of sectors, from technology to green energy. Rwanda's vision for economic transformation and its emphasis on creating a conducive environment for business make Kigali an attractive option for those interested in sustainable and innovative ventures. Key takeaway: Kigali offers a clean, sustainable environment with a strong focus on innovation, making it ideal for businesses in tech and green industries. Dakar, Senegal, the gateway to West Africa. Finally, Dakar, Senegal, a vibrant city with a strategic position on the Atlantic coast, serving as a gateway to West Africa. Dakar's growing economy, rich culture, and strategic location make it an appealing destination for business. The city's key sectors include agriculture, fisheries, and manufacturing. Dakar's strategic location enhances its role as a trade hub, with access to regional markets and international trade routes. The city's infrastructure improvements and economic reforms are paving the way for new business opportunities. Dakar's vibrant cultural scene and entrepreneurial spirit add to its appeal, offering a dynamic environment for startups and established businesses alike. Key takeaway: Dakar provides a strategic location and dynamic market environment, ideal for businesses looking to capitalize on West Africa's economic potential. And there you have it, top 7 African cities to start a business in 2024. From Lagos's financial dynamism to Kigali's green innovation, these cities offer incredible opportunities for entrepreneurs and investors. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your network, and subscribe for more updates on Africa's thriving business landscape. Got a city or success story you'd like to share? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting content and insights into Africa's dynamic business world. See you in the next video.